So today's a new day. Got a CSF radiator from Z1 and managed to pick up a front core from Z1. So it shouldn't be long. Should be right back together. But I want name brand like parts with receipts. Headlights are gonna be another cost. Small bolts and stuff that got broken. But then the AC condenser, the fans, the reservoir, the bumper. That really should be about it. I mean, the car could probably use a tune-up. And it should be back together. So all in all, like even with the friends that I have, it's gonna be probably a little over 1,200 to get the front fixed with name brand stuff, not kind of sourcing out used parts when it's like the main stuff. AC condenser I've sourced out, the fans I've got sourced out. I'll have to see about a reservoir. I might do like a different style reservoir. But also this front is different from an 03 to 06 and then 07 to 09 or 08. You're gonna have bolt holes that go through for the nismo brace, and this has to be grinded down. Plus you're gonna have different flows for air on the different braces. And I think it's kind of like different setups for the radiator, which is kind of different in an HR car. But you could probably use an 03 one. They told me there is a difference, so I went ahead and got the one for an HR car, just to have that receipt of it being put back together correctly. I think I'm gonna have to get fenders most likely. Trying to fix these is probably not gonna happen the way they're bent. Like this one kind of looks kind of bent outward. So most likely we'll have to get fenders as well, which that'll be a different cost. I'm not gonna put that in because I could technically put headlights in right now and drive it. So far that's kind of where we're at with the damage report and the stuff that I got. I just got done driving 9 hours straight from Z1 to get this, so it's been a long day. So everything is now bolted up, at least, you know, like the bumper, and this is still kind of a mess that isn't gonna line up. But really, I just want to get the car inspected so I can get the title, because it has to be inspected first. So AC condenser, I thought maybe one out of a G will work. It will not. I tried every which way, can't get it to work, even modifying it. So I'm just gonna put the radiator in and not have AC for the first bit until I can order these headlight brackets and the AC condenser. Kind of leave it at that for now. At least the engine will be cool, because we got that CSF. So it's been a while. It's been like a week or two. I started a new job and it's taken absolutely all my time. But there's some new tires and wheels for the nismo on the back. Hopefully tomorrow that car is gonna roll for the first time, like under its own power and everything kind of fixed up. So really excited for that. And then this will be like the second upload of the car, kind of going over damages, costs, what I had to do and what I had to get. So well, I'm super hyped. Brand new 19s. I've never had 19s. I'm hyped. 19-inch Rotas. Kind of like the 18s, but I needed to get rid of them to recoup some money from the car. This has been a process. So the front's back on now. The radiator's in, fans are on. These are out of a G35. They actually did work. The new wheels, the Rotas, 19s. Got some other things to hook up real quick, put some antifreeze in. So the front's fully together now. Oh yeah, getting some oil in, some antifreeze in. Getting the car on quite a bit of angle. A lot of people don't realize with these VQs, man, this has to be the highest point in the car when you're doing antifreeze, or it will do that weird thing where it like rises to overheat and then low, and then high and then low. It's all about air. And so many people comment in the forums, like car overheating, why? This is why. You gotta do this. Definitely do. All right, it's back together. Some things are zip tied up. It got stuck on the jack. I didn't film it, but it took forever. I had to get some of these in like some special spots and lift it back up because it was stuck on the jack. But I'm nervous. But it's definitely the first time to roll it out for the like under its own power. Super nervous and excited. How does it look in the sun though? That color. So we are officially on the first drive. It feels really slow. I don't know, maybe there's a spark plug fouled out or something, but we're driving. That's it, boys. She's home for now. Gotta get a little more work done because it definitely feels slow, but that is it. I'm gonna do a quick walk around and then this will be the end. So make sure to like, share, subscribe.